What if Ferrari built an electric supercar so thrilling that even die-hard V8 fans would stop and stare? Imagine a machine that launches harder than most hypercars, slices through corners like a race car, and still carries the unmistakable soul of Ferrari. For decades, Ferrari has been synonymous with screaming engines, emotional exhaust notes, and breathtaking performance. But the automotive world is changing, and Maranello is preparing for a new era. Meet the 2027 Ferrari Luce EV8, a stunning all-electric grand touring supercar that blends Ferrari's legendary racing heritage with cutting-edge electric technology. This isn't just another EV trying to imitate a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari that happens to be electric, and it might be one of the most exciting performance cars we've ever seen. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the design, performance, technology, driving experience, interior, pricing, and everything else you need to know about the incredible 2027 Ferrari Luce EV8. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. Ferrari has always understood that a supercar needs to look fast even when standing still, and the Luce EV8 delivers exactly that. At first glance, it's unmistakably a Ferrari. The low-slung stance, dramatic proportions, sculpted body panels, and aggressive aerodynamics create a presence that's impossible to ignore. Unlike many electric vehicles that prioritize simplicity, Ferrari has chosen to create something emotional and dramatic. Every curve has a purpose. Every vent contributes to cooling or aerodynamic efficiency. Every angle reflects Ferrari's obsession with performance. The front fascia is incredibly sharp and futuristic. Thin LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, creating an aggressive appearance that looks ready to attack the road. The nose sits exceptionally low, helping airflow move smoothly over the body while generating additional downforce. The front bumper features active aerodynamic elements that automatically adjust depending on speed and driving conditions. At lower speeds, the system optimizes efficiency. At higher speeds, it increases downforce and stability. Moving to the side profile, the Luce EV8 showcases one of the most elegant silhouettes Ferrari has ever created. The flowing roofline sweeps beautifully toward the rear deck, creating a coupe profile that looks both athletic and sophisticated. Massive wheels fill the arches perfectly, while hidden door handles and carefully sculpted bodywork improve aerodynamic performance. The side air channels direct airflow efficiently around the vehicle, reducing drag and increasing stability. The rear section is perhaps the most dramatic angle of the car. A full-width LED light signature creates a futuristic appearance, while an active rear wing automatically deploys when additional downforce is needed. Because this is an EV, there are no traditional exhaust pipes. Instead, Ferrari focuses on aerodynamic efficiency with an advanced rear diffuser that manages airflow beneath the vehicle. The result is a design that feels modern without abandoning Ferrari's iconic DNA. It's futuristic, it's aggressive, it's elegant, and most importantly, it's instantly recognizable as a Ferrari. Now let's talk about the heart of this machine. Or perhaps, in this case, the electric soul. The 2027 Ferrari Luce EV8 is expected to feature a revolutionary quad-motor electric powertrain. That means one electric motor at each wheel, allowing Ferrari engineers to control power delivery with incredible precision. Combined output is expected to exceed 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that correctly. More than 1,200 horsepower. That's hypercar territory. Torque figures are expected to surpass 1,100 pound-feet, delivering explosive acceleration from a standstill. Unlike traditional combustion engines that need to build revs, electric motors provide instant torque. The moment you touch the accelerator, maximum power becomes available almost immediately. As a result, Ferrari estimates a 0 to -60 miles per hour time of approximately 1.9 seconds. Think about that for a moment. Less than 2 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. That's faster than many purpose-built race cars. Quarter-mile times are expected to fall into the low 9-second range, placing the Luce EV8 among the quickest production vehicles on Earth. Top speed is projected to exceed 220 miles per hour. These numbers aren't merely impressive. They're astonishing. But Ferrari understands that raw performance numbers only tell part of the story. Anyone can build a fast EV. Creating a Ferrari experience is much more difficult. That's why Ferrari has invested heavily in developing advanced software and vehicle dynamics systems. The Luce EV8 features sophisticated torque vectoring technology that continuously adjusts power delivery between all four wheels. This allows the car to rotate naturally through corners while maintaining extraordinary grip. The system can make thousands of adjustments every second, helping the vehicle remain stable under extreme conditions. Whether you're driving on a winding mountain road or attacking a racetrack, the Luce EV8 is engineered to feel precise, predictable, and incredibly engaging. Battery technology is another area where Ferrari aims to push boundaries. The Luce EV8 is expected to utilize an advanced solid-state battery architecture developed specifically for high-performance applications. Battery capacity is rumored to be around 120 kWh. More importantly, Ferrari has focused on energy density and weight reduction. Traditional EV batteries can be extremely heavy, which negatively impacts handling. Ferrari engineers have worked tirelessly to minimize this challenge through innovative materials and chassis integration. The battery pack is mounted low within the vehicle structure, lowering the center of gravity and improving balance. This creates handling characteristics that closely resemble Ferrari's legendary mid-engine sports cars. Range is expected to exceed 420 miles under ideal driving conditions. That's enough for long-distance grand touring without constant charging stops. And when it comes time to recharge, the Luce EV8 supports ultra-fast charging technology. Using a compatible high-speed charger, the battery can reportedly charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 15 minutes. That means less waiting and more driving. A key concern among Ferrari enthusiasts is sound. After all, Ferrari engines are famous for producing some of the greatest automotive sounds ever created. How does an electric Ferrari address that challenge? Ferrari's answer is surprisingly sophisticated. The Luce EV8 features an advanced acoustic engineering system that creates an emotional driving soundtrack inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage. This isn't simply an artificial speaker effect. Instead, the system integrates motor harmonics, drivetrain frequencies, and specially engineered acoustic chambers to generate a unique auditory experience. Drivers can select different sound profiles, ranging from subtle and refined to aggressive and race-inspired. Purists may remain skeptical, but Ferrari's goal isn't to imitate a V12. It's to create a new type of excitement that belongs exclusively to the electric era. Now let's move inside. Open the door, and you're greeted by an interior that combines luxury, technology, and performance-focused design. The cabin feels like a cockpit. Every control is positioned around the driver, reinforcing the sense of connection between human and machine. Premium materials cover nearly every surface. Expect extensive use of carbon fiber, Alcantara, sustainable leather alternatives, aluminum trim, and precision-crafted details. The seats provide exceptional support during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable enough for long journeys. Ferrari has also focused heavily on sustainability. Many interior materials are sourced using environmentally conscious manufacturing processes without compromising luxury or quality. Directly ahead of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying critical performance information. Drivers can customize layouts depending on their preferences. Whether you want navigation, performance telemetry, battery information, or traditional speed and power displays, the system adapts instantly. A large central touchscreen controls infotainment functions, vehicle settings, climate controls, and connectivity features. The interface is fast, responsive, and visually stunning. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, along with advanced voice controls powered by artificial intelligence. The AI assistant can manage navigation, charging schedules, climate settings, entertainment functions, and vehicle performance configurations. Passengers also benefit from a dedicated display that provides real-time performance data, navigation information, and entertainment options. The overall cabin experience feels futuristic without becoming overwhelming. Technology enhances the driving experience rather than distracting from it. One area where Ferrari has made major improvements is practicality. While nobody buys a Ferrari primarily for cargo space, the Luce EV8 offers greater usability than many traditional supercars. The absence of a large combustion engine creates additional storage opportunities. A front trunk provides space for luggage, charging cables, or weekend travel essentials. The rear cargo compartment is also surprisingly functional for a vehicle in this segment. This makes the Luce V8 an excellent grand touring machine capable of handling longer road trips comfortably. Safety technology has also advanced significantly. Ferrari has traditionally prioritized driving engagement over electronic assistance, but modern buyers expect both. The Luce V8 includes an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, rear cross traffic alert, and advanced parking assistance systems. Multiple cameras and sensors continuously monitor the surrounding environment. The result is a vehicle that remains exciting while providing additional confidence during daily driving. Of course, Ferrari owners care deeply about handling. This is where the Luce V8 truly shines. The combination of a low center of gravity, advanced suspension systems, intelligent torque vectoring, and near-perfect weight distribution creates extraordinary dynamics. Ferrari's adaptive suspension constantly adjusts damping characteristics based on road conditions and driving inputs. In comfort mode, the ride remains surprisingly compliant for a high-performance supercar. Switch into sport or track mode, and the vehicle transforms completely. Steering becomes sharper. Throttle response becomes more aggressive. Suspension stiffness increases. Aerodynamic systems adjust automatically. Power delivery becomes even more immediate. The transformation is dramatic. This dual personality allows the Luce V8 to function as both a comfortable grand tourer and a track-focused performance weapon. Ferrari engineers have spent countless hours testing at racetracks around the world, including their legendary Fiorano circuit. The goal wasn't simply speed. The goal was emotion. The company wants drivers to feel connected, engaged, and excited every time they get behind the wheel. That emotional connection has always defined Ferrari. And according to early development reports, the Luce V8 delivers exactly that. Now let's discuss one of the most important questions. How much will it cost? The 2027 Ferrari Luce V8 is expected to start around $450,000 in the United States. Highly optioned examples could easily exceed $550,000. Limited edition performance packages and bespoke customization options may push pricing even higher. While this places the Luce V8 firmly within the ultra-luxury supercar segment, Ferrari customers are accustomed to exclusivity. Buyers aren't simply purchasing transportation. They're investing in engineering excellence, performance heritage, exclusivity, and one of the most prestigious automotive brands in the world. Compared with other electric hypercars and premium performance vehicles, the pricing feels competitive considering the technology, performance, and Ferrari badge. Another major selling point is exclusivity. Ferrari is expected to limit production volumes to maintain rarity and desirability. That means demand will likely exceed supply from day one. Waiting lists could stretch for years. Collectors and enthusiasts will undoubtedly compete for allocation slots. This exclusivity may also help preserve resale values over time. Looking toward the future, the Luce V8 represents far more than a single vehicle. It symbolizes Ferrari's evolution. The automotive industry is changing rapidly. Electrification is becoming increasingly important. Yet Ferrari refuses to abandon the emotional qualities that made the brand legendary. Instead, the company is redefining what performance can be. The Luce V8 demonstrates that electric vehicles don't have to be boring. They don't have to feel disconnected. And they certainly don't have to sacrifice excitement. By combining world-class engineering, breathtaking performance, advanced technology, and unmistakable Italian design, Ferrari has created something genuinely special. The 2027 Ferrari Luce V8 isn't trying to replace the great Ferraris of the past. It's creating an entirely new chapter for the future. And if Ferrari succeeds in delivering everything promised, this could become one of the most important vehicles in the company's history. It offers hypercar acceleration, supercar handling, luxury grand touring comfort, cutting-edge technology, remarkable range, ultra-fast charging, and unmistakable Ferrari character. For enthusiasts wondering whether an electric Ferrari can truly feel like a Ferrari, the Luce V8 may provide the answer. The future of performance has arrived. And it's wearing a Prancing Horse badge. The 2027 Ferrari Luce V8 isn't just another electric vehicle. It's Ferrari's vision of tomorrow. And based on everything we've seen so far, tomorrow looks incredibly exciting.